Hi, Joe and Katie and everyone with Amp Electric. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks you can use on your own to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Home Advisor and Angie's List, for example, and the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. Search engines love content. The more content you have, the more value you bring to the internet and the higher up you're going to rank. And so the thing to keep in mind is that content isn't just the words on your website, it's also the photos on your website and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that as far as actual words go, you want to have 1,500 minimum on any page you're trying to rank. Now, we're on your main page right now. You definitely don't have the 1,500 mark, which is fine as long as your service pages do. And so I'll go over to your electrician service pages. It looks like maybe you kind of just have, okay, right here. All right, so we'll go to electrical panel. Electrical panel takes you over here, and then so you do have quite a bit of words, but again, not that 1,500 mark. So I would highly suggest going through and adding some content. Make sure you have minimum 1,500 words on any of these pages you're trying to rank. You kind of have your website's kind of a little bit, tossed around here and there, and click on this, click on that. But either way, you're going to want to make sure to have 1,500 words minimum. And then also how you save your photos matters too. So even down to the size you save your photos. A lot of your photos actually aren't saved the right way. So just keep that in mind. And then moving forward, citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. Those directories include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. All those directories give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you rank in this map pack. And so I typed in Muskegon, Michigan electricians. We got Bolesco, we got Foster, and we got J&J Electrical Services. You guys aren't here. These are the guys bringing in the most dough. But even better than that, I would like to point out that you guys actually are in the 6th position. So you are on the first page for Muskegon, Michigan electricians, which is actually something to be proud of. So that's good. And we got Vanderhyde too. So as you can see, Vanderhyde, for example, they're not in the map pack, but they're ranking just like you. And so that's really where you want to be. So that's good. I also have Grand Haven electricians here. We got BEM, Mr. Electric, and True Freedom. You guys aren't here, but as you can see, we got Rysenja, and then we have you guys. So you guys are actually in the first page for both of these keywords. So obviously there's hundreds of different types of keywords and keywords that people type in, but you guys are ranking for Grand Haven electricians and Muskegon, Michigan electricians. So on the first page, that is good. I do have your Google My Business page pulled up here. Couple things I want to point out. You do have a completed profile, so that's good. Also, your reviews, congratulations. You guys actually have 167 Google reviews with a 5.0, so definitely something to be proud of, something to hold your head high to. The only other thing I'd like to point out is these photos. So we recommend 10 minimum, which it looks like you guys have well above that 10 mark. So you're just going to want to go in and make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords, every photo you have. Very important there. Other than that, your Google My Business page is looking pretty good. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. Anywhere that ampelectricwestmichigan.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. You guys actually have 74 backlinks from 26 referring domains, but yet your domain rating is a 0.2 out of 100. So the thing to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. So in your ventures, and I would suggest doing some homework on backlinks. 74 is kind of low, and your domain rating is extremely low. You're going to want to make sure that all your backlinks come from sites that are relevant to your business, and also sites that are not spammy. That's going to help you out a lot. That's going to up your domain rating and in turn up your visibility. And that's going to help your website rank even above these guys. And then, obviously there's different areas. I'm not sure if these are the only two you guys try and go to, but, just do your homework on backlinks and get yourself some powerful ones, and then remove any that are not bringing you value and actually lowering your score. So either way, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you take the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website and your Google My Business page to bring you some more revenue this upcoming season. And if you guys have any questions or comments or feedback, feel free to let us know. And thank you very much for watching.